Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our traction bar kit for the 19 to 23 Chevrolet and GMC 1500. Now on a truck with leaf springs in the rear, the spring doesn't just go up and down. Under acceleration, that torque can cause the spring to deflect and actually get an S-style shape. And the best way to eliminate that axle wrap is by installing our traction bar kit. So as your tire rolls forward, it's going to want to pitch your pinion up. What we do is we triangulate the rear end to the frame by attaching the traction bar to the frame and down to where the U-bolts mount to the axle. That's going to keep that axle from rolling up under acceleration without compromising ride quality. Let's take a look at what's included with your kit. First, we've got our axle mounts. Now these are going to mount underneath the axle and they are held in place using your existing U-bolts. Next, we've got our frame mounts. Now these do require some drilling, but not much, and the instructions are very clear. If it's something you're not comfortable doing, we've got a network of dealers across the country that can take care of the installation for you. And now we've got our traction bars themselves. These are an I-beam style ladder bar. They've got bushings pressed in as well as an adjustable end with a pressed in bushing. All steel construction, durable satin black powder coating. Definitely going to enhance the looks of any vehicle you put it on. And not only are they going to look great, they're going to improve the longevity of your components, be it your U-joints or your seals, by taking that stress away from those. And they're going to increase your performance by taking the torque that was used to pitch the axle up and actually make it hit the ground. So if you're looking for a product to improve your truck's looks, increase its durability, and add performance, check out our traction bar kit. Available today at roughcountry.com.